turn away a beautiful salad loaded with garlicky croutons and fresh tomatoes, fresh basil. Italians call it bread salad, but this recipe celebrates all that's good from your summer garden. Marguerite Henderson suggests this summery panzanella. Panzanella, that's fun to say, and I'm guessing fun to eat. Give us more description on this.
Okay, so panzanella, it comes from the 16th century.
Okay.
It's been around, 500 years. So initially, it's a bread salad. It's not a tomato salad. Okay, so they had bread that was 2 or 3 days old. They put it on the grill, grilled it up, cut it up into small pieces, and then added other ingredients. And especially in the summer, you add tomatoes and basil and onions and garlic.
All the goods.
So the best part of a salad to me, when my mother used to, well, we all make salads, at the bottom of the bowl is the vinegar and oil, right? And you take your bread and you dip it in there. Okay, so this is, a sort of that concept, but it's a salad that you could have as a main course. You could add shrimp to it. You could add like fruit to it, like peaches and plums. Oh, okay. But it's super easy. Okay.
But the bread's the star.
The bread is the star of this salad. Okay, so I'm using French bread. Okay, I had the store, Harmon's.
Fresh bread, day-old bread?
I just bought fresh bread. I bought it yesterday. So what you do is you take your bread. Don't use stale bread. You have to kind of toast it because then it won't have any flavor. So I just take some olive oil spray.
I got to get my hands on one of these
olive oil spray. I know, they're like the best, right? And then you throw it on the grill, and you get that. All right, and then I did a whole loaf for this segment. So let's move this over.
Just nice and crunchy, good texture.
Just crunchy. That's what you want, because you want flavor. Because it's a bread salad. If you just put regular bread in, it's going to get a soggy mess.
But the flavor's not coming from the bread necessarily. It's what we add in around it.
Right. Okay. So you throw that in your bowl. All right. And then you have tomatoes from the garden. So this is like the perfect summer salad. So this is an heirloom tomato.
In my dreams, I live in Marguerite Henderson's garden, pretty much.
Okay, we'll put you out there. I'll find you a bed.
Please.
All right, I can do that. Okay, so you want to cut up the tomatoes. Again, if you want to put 10 tomatoes or 6 tomatoes or whatever, how many tomatoes you have. And then I also use some little baby heirloom tomatoes. I throw those in there.
Beautiful color.
Beautiful colors. Then some chopped red onion with some chopped, you have to put garlic. I'm sorry, for people who don't like it. You have to put the garlic in.
You heard her say it here.
And then you put fresh basil. This is a little nasturtium, but fresh basil from the garden. Okay,
to me, this is where it really starts to sing
I know.
summer.
So like summer tomatoes and summer basil. If I could marry those two.
And everything.
Aromas of tomatoes and basil. So you put that there. All right, now here comes, oh, wait, sorry.
Wait.
A little salt and pepper.
Okay.
You know why you need the salt? Is so it extracts the juices from the tomatoes, and that's what makes that really flavorful.
Oh, okay.
All right. So I'm using white balsamic. Do not use the dark balsamic because it'll turn everything such an ugly brown.
Okay.
So about, I don't know, a quarter of a cup.
I love when you give us specifics like that. Tell me what to do.
Don't use the balsamic.
Okay. I will not.
You could use red wine vinegar or white balsamic vinegar, and then a really good olive oil, and this is Sicilian olive oil.
Oh, of course it is.
Of course, and from
my mouth is like watering
Trader Joe's.
Over.
Now you could, if you want to serve it, as the classic bread salad. Let it sit in the fridge for about an hour so that the juices come out of the tomatoes.
Okay.
The bread gets soaked.
Okay.
Okay, and then you could add little mozzarella balls.
I was going to say there was promise of mozzarella.
Yep, there.
Oh,
okay,
look at this loveliness.
That. I mean, isn't that
delicious?
Gorgeous? Put it in the fridge.
Okay.
Garnish with, these are like the little Perlini mozzarella balls when you're ready to serve, or you could use the Cilantini.
Oh.
You could cut those in half.
And now can I add my own command? Be generous on the mozzarella, because everyone's always scraping for a ball, right? They want a piece of it.
Yeah.
That's my tip.
Okay. Throw a ton of them in. The other thing you could do is add some shrimp, and then it's like the perfect meal. You don't have to go.
Lovely.
This with a grilled steak on the side, or some chicken, or a piece of salmon. That's all you have to serve, because you got your vegetables, you got your bread.
Is this your favorite season to cook and eat? Yes, yes.
Oh, Yeah, I have 50 people coming tonight to my house.
You do?
Yes.
You might have 51 if you keep talking, because I am sold on everything you bring to our studio, dear friend. And this is one of the recipes in one of your multiple cookbooks.
So yeah, Amazon.com. You can go right there and
it's
pick one up. Yeah,
a staple on your kitchen shelf. Panzanella.
So it comes from the word pan, which means bread.
Say it properly.
Panzanella.
Panzanella. And
then I don't know where the Ella comes from, but it sounds good.
It sounds great. It sounds more than great. We love you. Thank you so much.